Hello, magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Miss Mo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang weekly love reading para sa March 30 to April 5. Ang bilis ng panahon. Aries season and second quarter na ng 2026. So, tingnan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. Habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Libra na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. At sa mga bago, please support also by subscribing to Mystico Moreno channel. At para sa lahat, please like this video. It helps the channel grow. And, ayun, sana mag-grow na ang channel ko talaga para marami pa akong magawang love readings para sa inyo. Okay. So, bubunot ako ng 3 cards that will be the overall energy of your week when it comes to love and connection. Okay, simulan na natin. So, first card. I'll get the third card. Knight of Wands. Nine of Wands. And the Lovers. Ooh. Okay. There's so much passion, so much desire. But, and mahal nyo yung isa't isa. However, not however, but with the Knight of Wands and Nine of Wands and the Lovers, nakikita kong energy dito is that, first, there's so much adventure. Alam mo yung thrill this week. Marami kayong mga adventures or exciting things na gagawin. Maybe siguro dahil papasok ang long weekend, a very long weekend, so baka may mga things kayo na gagawin together as a couple. But with the Nine of Wands, like there's just this resilience naman din naman, and though a bit of cautiousness then when it comes to this too much excitement na mangyayari, but there's so much love dito. It's a major arcana, the Lovers, na mahal nyo yung isa't isa, and itong exciting things na gagawin ninyo is proof lang din na the dynamics is so good and na masaya din kayo na kapiling ng isa't isa. Pero tingnan natin ano yung detalye ng overall energy na to, bakit ito yung lumabas. At habang binabalasa ko to, gusto kong i-remind ang lahat that this is a collective reading. So pag collective reading, I'm trying to tap sa lahat ng Libra. Okay. So it may or may not resonate sa inyo. Kapag hindi nag-resonate, huwag pilitin. Okay? Huwag mong bash. Kasi nga, hindi ko pwedeng i-adjust yung reading ko to certain people, kasi ang tarot reading ay, whatever lumabas, I have to interpret it. Ano yung mga downloads na pumasok, I have to relay it, diba? Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na hindi kayo mahal pero lumabas dito the Lovers, diba? So, yun. Abangan nyo na yung masusunod kong reading. Baka yun ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate, kasi ang oracle and tarot reading ay timeless naman talaga. Okay, sige. Bubunot ako ng some cards from this deck. So, Page of Swords, the Fool, Five of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, the Hanged Woman, Seven of Swords, Knight of Swords. Strength card. Queen of Cups. Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, and what you don't see coming, the Devil. Oh, okay. Okay, sige. The energy that you don't see coming is the Devil, but before I proceed, okay, so you might be dealing with a Gemini, with an Aries, Aquarius, with a Leo, or with a Capricorn, saka Pisces. So, pwedeng yun yung mga signs ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Yun na yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. But check their moon, Venus, and rising placements. Baka yun din yung mga signs nila sa mga placement na yun. Okay, so medyo nakita ko na bakit ito yung energy. There's, I think, this is a new cycle or new phase sa relationship na parang kaya din full of excitement ulit, but there's this energy of cautiousness when it comes to this excitement. When it comes to this excitement is because may nangyari in the past that made you parang doubt the integrity of your person. Kahit mahal na mahal niyo siya at sinasabi niyang mahal ka niya. Kasi lumabas dito si Devil card. Pero bakit? Kasi I think in the recent past, merong naging conflict and now you're back together. Ito yung nakukuha kong downloads na you were apart, then nagkaayos kayo, nagkabalikan, and now back to this parang honeymoon phase or excitement na okay, we're back together, and then we're doing some exciting stuff dahil mahal natin yung isa't isa. It's a new phase, as shown here by the Page of Swords and the Fool. But you know for a fact that something happened that that resulted to a conflict between the two of you, and that conflict is resulted to yung sense of you want to start, okay, to have a promising start, but okay, parang you're uncertain, parang you took a pause muna, uncertain ka with that kind of investment or a fresh start, kasi as shown here by the Ace of Pentacles and the Hanged Woman. Kasi, lalo na with the Seven of Swords showing, is because you felt you were manipulated and you were deceived in the recent past. Okay? And plus more with the Knight of Swords, that there's this, yung nagbigay din siya before na parang so much, excitement, intensity, but then parang, ay, shit, na-realize mo parang I was just deceived and manipulated. May ganong energy ako nakukuha. But the love between the two of you is stronger, which is good naman. Okay? And itong like very naging resilient naman yung relationship, yung nga, nagkaayos, kaya nga at the moment, parang there's another excitement going on between the two of you kasi it's a new phase, nagkaayos, nagkabalikan, and ngayon, nakikita din yung love, nurturing love with the King of Cups, and then with the Knight of Pentacles, then that this is something that is you're trying to like rebuild yung trust again. Okay, despite that, but what's hidden is the Devil. And with the Devil card, it just shows here that this might be something temporary. Okay, I'm just reading the cards, what I see here and the downloads that I'm getting is that this, kasi yung naging cycle nyo, and nakikita ko dito, it's been a cycle already. Magka kabati kayo, tapos maging okay, masaya, ganyan, tapos may susulpot na issue, hindi na naman, tapos uulit na naman siya, and tapos susuyuin ulit kayo bibigay na naman, ganyan. So, there's this kind of cycle of excitement. Fine, gets, mahal nyo isa't isa, pero is it, hanggat hindi nyo naayos yung cycle na yan, magiging paulit-ulit lang siya na, okay, hindi. Diba? Pero, ano bang gusto nyo sa relationship? Diba, dapat okay lagi. So, you know what to do. Okay, pero tingnan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa inyo when it comes to this connection. Lalo na may ganitong parang roller coaster ride. Okay, between the connection. Na minsan maging okay, tapos maging happy, masaya, tapos may isusulpot na issue. You will feel na you were deceived and manipulated, tapos separate muna ng there are moments apart muna, tapos susuyuin, babalikan, magkakaayos, happy ulit, tapos diba, parang paikot-ikot yung sad, happy. Pero tingnan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa inyo. So, third card, joy. Okay. So, parang ang nakuha ko dito ngayon agad is sa tanong, ano ba yung what brings you, what gives you joy sa relationship? Focus on that, diba? And if this person has this tendency to just repeat yung mga bagay then na hiningin niya ng tawad pero inulit ulit, and it just keeps repeating the cycle, you evaluate, is this relationship giving me joy? Okay, ikaw lang makakasagot niya. Okay, so hanggang dito na lang. Abangan na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa Mystica Moreno. In short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.